From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
Poached egg. The history of the poached egg is intertwined with the broader history of egg consumption, culinary techniques, and global cuisine. Here's an overview of its origins and evolution. Eggs have been consumed by humans for thousands of years, dating back to prehistoric times. The ancient Romans enjoyed eggs in various forms, including boiled and fried. While there's no direct evidence of poaching, they did cook eggs in liquids, which may have been an early precursor. Medieval Europe saw eggs as a versatile and affordable protein source. Recipes from the time suggest cooking eggs in broths or sauces, similar to poaching. The word poach comes from the Old French poker, to enclose in a bag, referring to the way the egg white encases the yolk when cooked in water. By the 14th, 15th centuries, poaching eggs in simmering water became a recognized technique in European cooking. French cuisine refined poached eggs as part of delicate dishes like œufs pochés, poached eggs served with sauces. In England, poached eggs became a breakfast staple by the 18th, 19th centuries, often served on toast or with meats. The famous Eggs Benedict poached eggs with ham, English muffin, and hollandaise sauce emerged in late 19th century America, possibly at Delmonico's or the Waldorf Hotel. Asia. In Japan, onsen tamago egg slow-cooked in hot springs is a form of poached egg. Middle East shakshuka eggs, poached in spiced tomato sauce, is a North African and Middle Eastern dish. India, egg curry sometimes includes softly poached eggs in a spiced gravy. Traditional poaching requires simmering water with vinegar to help coagulation. Today, sous vide cooking and microwave poaching offer alternative methods. The poached egg has evolved from a simple, ancient cooking method to a refined culinary technique enjoyed worldwide. Whether in haute cuisine or a humble breakfast, its delicate texture and versatility keep it popular today.
The recipes for all of our dishes are linked in the description below. Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.